Let's take a look at a concierge balcony stateroom aboard the Celebrity Infinity. Included with this category of stateroom, you have a dedicated concierge team that can help you with anything that you may need during your vacation. This room is pretty much the same as a standard balcony room, just the additional perks of the concierge. You also receive upgraded bath amenities, robes, and a pillow menu, and invites to special events like cocktail receptions and afternoon tea. Because we booked a guarantee room, we were auto-assigned this room. It's room 7192 on deck 7 aft. We liked this general location because it was 2 decks down to the coffee bar or 3 decks up to the buffet and the sunset bar. Even though the ship is a little dated, it was very clean and well maintained. Under the TV was a mini fridge that was stocked with all the minibar amenities. Anything from here is an extra cost, but you can always ask your stateroom attendant to clear it out. On either side of the bed were 2 nightstands with 2 drawers each and a lamp. And on one side is a telephone and a notepad. In addition to lots of mirrors, there was also a lot of storage in this room. This center shelving console came in handy for storing hats, bags, and other small items. The only plugs in this room are found by the desk. There are 2 American and 2 European outlets. The balcony was spacious and was comfortable for morning coffee, afternoon drinks, or watching Sail Away or Sail Out. We also discovered that these patio chairs have the ability to lay flat, so you can make one big lounge chair. In the closet, there was an upper shelf, lots of hangers, 2 robes, and 2 folding racks. The closet next to that had a safe, a large shelf space, and 6 drawers. The bathroom was standard cruise ship size, but had plenty of storage. An additional bonus was there was a night light that was on, but you can't really turn it off. The shower was large, but unfortunately, it had a curtain. Because this was a concierge stateroom, we were given large containers of C.O. Bigelow bath products. So that's it for our concierge stateroom tour. Have you sailed aboard the Celebrity Infinity? What were your thoughts?